In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a tracking number to a fulfilled order in Shopify. This process is crucial for maintaining accurate communication with your customers, ensuring they receive timely updates about their orders. So let's dive into the details and guide you through each step seamlessly. Begin by navigating to the Orders section within your Shopify admin. This is your central hub for managing customer orders, and it's where you'll find all the details you need to proceed. Once you've accessed the Orders section, locate the specific order to which you want to add a tracking number. Click on the order number to open it up. This will bring you to a detailed overview of the order, which includes customer information, order items, and fulfillment details. In the Fulfilled section of the order page, you'll notice an option labeled Add Tracking. Click on this option to initiate the process of entering the shipping information. Now you're ready to input the necessary tracking details. Start by entering the tracking number provided by your shipping carrier. If Shopify automatically recognizes the carrier based on the tracking number you've entered, it will conveniently select the carrier for you. However, if it doesn't, don't worry. You can choose the correct carrier from the drop-down menu provided. In the event that you have multiple tracking numbers to add from the same carrier, Shopify makes this simple too. Just click on Add Another Tracking Number and you'll be able to input additional numbers seamlessly, ensuring that all tracking information is consolidated and easy to access. Sometimes Shopify may not fully support your chosen carrier, or you might have selected the other option when specifying the carrier. In such cases, you'll want to manually enter the tracking URL. This URL is crucial as it directs your customers to the carrier's tracking page via the order status page on your Shopify store, allowing them to track their shipment progress effortlessly. Now let's talk about keeping your customers informed. Shopify offers an option to send a shipping update notification directly to the customer via email. You can choose to activate this feature by checking the Sent Notification Email to Customer box. This is a superb way to maintain transparency with your customers, providing them with real-time updates on their order status. Finally, once you have reviewed all the input details and ensured everything is accurate, it's time to click Save. This action finalizes the changes and updates the order details with the new tracking information. By following these steps, you're not only enhancing the customer experience, but also streamlining your order management process in Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you efficiently manage your Shopify orders.